Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to generate codes using chatGPT. So you are doing your project work or any research work related with that. So in order to need codes for your project work or research work, you can use chatGPT to generate your codes, and then you can change that codes for your requirement accordingly. So let us go for today video how to generate codes. Today I am going to generate codes in Arduino, MATLAB and Python code. So let us go for today video. Just to open your ChatGPT. So first we are going to generate codes using Arduino. So Arduino boards are very familiar now. So most probably the mini projects are used with Arduino. So school students and mini projects, those who are doing for mini projects in colleges can use this ChatGPT as a tool to generate your basic codes to prepare your mini projects. So let us see. So I am going to type, for example, say it's a worldly thing, generate, we are going to generate a code for Arduino for the applications of a traffic controller. So generate Arduino code for traffic controller. Here your Arduino code will be generated. This is the basic traffic controller with two traffic lights. So this is for two traffic lights. So these are the Arduino instructions. Initialization. So these are the conditions which has to glow and which has not to glow. Okay, so our code is generated for traffic light controller. So this code assumes that traffic light 1 is connected to pins 2, 3, 4, traffic light 2 is connected to 5, 6, 7. So thereby we can connect your input LEDs to that particular pins. Then we can copy that code in your Arduino board and you can fire that Arduino board using this code. So I am telling that just blankly you don't want to copy, just to check on the logic of your idea of the project you are doing. So and then you can customize with that and then you can use for your project according to your requirement. So I am not telling just copy and paste you will get output. So you have to work with that code. It gives just a template of the code. For example, I am randomly given that it is a traffic light controller with two traffic lights. You can give for 3 traffic lights. If you give for 1 traffic light, like that also. So thereby according to the condition the code will be generated. You just work on that code for some time. So whether your project logic is applicable to that code or not, and then you can use that code in your Arduino board. So this will be very useful for the people who are doing with mini projects and projects related with Arduino board. So next one is we are going to generate code in Python. So click new chat. For example, generate Python code to calculate area of triangle. Just I am giving a simple code only. For the beginners who are working with Python, it will be very easy. You can just go through the basic codes and then you can familiarize with that codes and you can use that code for that application what we are going to do with Python. So here a simple program is generated, that is base height area is equal to 1/2, that is 0.5 into base into height. Finally, we use print function to display the result on the console. So the area of triangle is like that, you will be getting output. This is a Python code. So we can generate another Python code also. Generate Python code to multiply two matrices. So this will be useful for you. Or you can type generate a code to find the determinants of a matrices, like that you can type, then it will generate code. So here Python code for two matrices will be generated. This matrix 1, matrix 2. So thereby you can generate codes in ChatGPT for your programming, basic programming, so our basic project work or research work. Thereby you can get a template of that program, that is work what you are doing. Then you can check the programming logic, that is the sequence of the program. Accordingly you can compare it with the algorithm you have framed for your project. So thereby you can adjust the program for your requirement. So this is what I am saying. Just blankly don't copy and paste this program and you expect for result. Just you have to this is just a startup idea you will getting using ChatGPT. When you are struggling to start a program, so go for this idea. Thereby you can get a input from this ChatGPT, so you can change the program. So this is what we are getting, that is matrices, the multiplication of two matrices using ChatGPT. So you can copy the code and you can use the code. So this is what generation of Python code using ChatGPT. So next one, I am going to generate code in MATLAB. For example, say an MPPT algorithm, that is maximum power point tracking algorithm. There are many maximum power point tracking algorithm. So I am going to generate perturb and generate, you have to mention MATLAB code for perturb and observe MPPT algorithm. Here the code is start to generate, that is maximum power point tracking algorithm. So before going on to such program generation, that is generating code, you have to just strong in studying the algorithms, whether it is right or wrong. So when you study, for example, in this MATLAB code, you have to know about what is meant by a perturb and observe algorithm and the flowchart of the perturb and observe algorithm, and a little familiar about MATLAB code. So when you get this kind of code, you just copy and paste in MATLAB and you can adjust as per your requirement. For example, say there will be different condition can be used in your project work or research work. So this is a generalized content given by ChatGPT. So you can adjust the conditions in this program, thereby you can get exact results in your project or result work. So this is what I am trying to say. Just don't make a stop in writing programs. Just go on with ChatGPT, make a program, and then you can improvise the program, or you can change the program according to your requirement of the project and research work you are doing. Hope this video will get an awareness about how to generate codes using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching our videos. Do subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.